Welcome to Serayu Spa. Serayu Spa is a haven of relaxation designed to help you slow down and temporarily disconnect from the trappings of modern living. It is a place where you can unwind, recharge, and make the most of your stay on the island of Bali with a choice of nurturing body and beauty rituals. Serayu Spa is proudly using Sensasia Botanical, the multi-award-winning facial and skincare range and spa treatments, the finest quality product with 100% natural ingredients and organic formulation. Sensasia Botanical providing maximum holistic wellness, skin rejuvenation and radiance through the outstanding skincare solution while maintaining an affinity with nature through green. The treatment we offer to our beloved guests are something we have prepared holistically to make sure that you will experience the heaven-filled spa moments. The treatments are from body massage, Serayu signature, peaceful energizing massage, deep tissue massage, aromatherapy massage, traditional Balinese massage, warm stone massage, Indian head massage, stress reliever, foot reflexology, herbal refreshing massage, body care treatment from Serayu scrub, chocolate scrub, Balinese bore, and many more. We do also select a number of treatments into a perfect package such as Sensasia Botanical Pampering packages and Serayu romantic packages such as Ratih Kamajaya, Serayu Body, Mind and Soul, and other relaxing package. With all treatment we have in Serayu Spa at the Kayon Resort Ubud, we believe that whether you chose to share your spa experience with a friend or loved one, or simply go it alone, you will leave looking fresh and feeling even better.